Good morning, children. Now we are going to discuss about pivoting data frames when we are doing mistakes like hash common mistakes in pivoting. Pivot methods take at least two column names as parameters, the index and the column named parameters. Now the problem is that what happens if we have multiple rows with the same values for these columns. What will be the value of the corresponding cells in the pivot table using pivot method? The following diagram depicts the problem. The first column name is item company rupees USD. Now item is 3 times TV and AC. Company name is LG, Videocon, LG, Sony. Now rupees is given that 12,000, 10,000, 15,000, 14,000. And USD 700, 650, 800, 750. Now when we are converting this table in pivot, the company is column name, inside company item AC and TV. We will get unique values, so that's why AC one time and TV one time. Now in LG, TV 2 times. In first column TV LG 12,000 rupees and then again same TV LG 15,000. Now the two values are same here with the same name, same company, but price is different. So it is difficult to store the values. Now our definition says that this only pivot makes method takes at least two column name as parameter, the index and the column name parameter. Now here we are seeing that 12,000, 15,000 is difficult to store because TV 3 times repeated, and in 2 TV, two companies company names are same, 2 times LG and 1 time Videocon. Now next is what Sony 14,000, Videocon 10,000. So this is the difficulty we will get when the same item name, company name, but price is different. Now d dot pivot bracket index is equals to items comma columns is equals to company values is equals to rupees. It throws an exception with the following message. We will get error message. This is this type of error message we are going to get. Value error colon index contain duplicate entries, cannot reshape. So our pivot table cannot reshape it. So this is the problem when the common mistakes in pivot table. Now further pivoting data frame. Now next function is pivot table. The pivot table methods comes to solve this problem. It works like pivot, but it aggregates the values from row with duplicate entries for the specified columns. So now how can we able to store this type of values, because we are getting error? So how we will solve? So we will use our pivot function to solve this problem. Table name is given. Now we are pivoting the table names. Now company TV, company item AC TV LG, AC is not there. Now how it will resolve it? Will resolve the range of the value. When you will take the mean of the value, the 12,000 and 15,000, you find the mean, and that mean is stored in this column. So d dot pivot table, what we will write, d dot pivot table bracket index is equals to item, columns is equals to company, value is equals to aggregate function. AGGFUNC means aggregate function is equals to np dot mean. In essence, pivot table is a generalization of pivot which allows you to aggregate multiple values with the same destination in the pivoted table. So with the help of mean, we can able to solve the error, and we can store the value in this table. So pivot table is it is very useful for the duplications of the value. So this type of error we can easily solve.